Good morning, Fraser here with Elegant Auto Sales. Today I'm going to be doing a walk around of this 2013 BMW 335i xDRIVE. We'll do the outside, we'll do the inside condition and features. I'll pop the hood, let you take a look at the engine. We'll turn it over, let you see the dash and all the lights. Then we'll go back to the engine so you can hear how it sounds. But first I'm just going to get outside condition, whatever features there may be. And then we'll get to the inside here in just a moment. And as you can see, I'm trying to get both angles for you as well so you can see condition for yourself. Big reason why we love doing these videos. Saves a bunch of time on both sides. You have a really good idea of what you're coming in to look at. As you can see, it has tinted windows all the way around. Dual exhaust. We'll get down on tire size here in just a moment. There we go. Hopefully that helps. Alright, let's get to the inside condition and features. Power windows, power locks, power memory seats, condition of the leather here. No rips, tears, or stains. We'll get the back seat here too as well before we get sunroof up there. We'll get features up front here in just a moment. Just want to get the condition of the rear here for you. See rear air. Alright, let's get some features up front. Steering wheel controls there. So there's a mileage there, but we'll turn it over here in just a moment. Automatic windshield wipers. It's to the media center there. So you have the Sport and the Eco mode, Eco Pro mode, and then to control the media center there. Let's take a look underneath the hood. There we go. Alright guys, I do say this in my videos all the time. I am far from mechanically inclined. But I do like getting this in here. Chances are, if you're looking at this one, you've looked at a few others, so you know what you're looking for. All of our vehicles, they get plugged in, diagnosed, safety inspected. So please keep that in mind. You know, and I would encourage anybody to check out our Better Business Bureau, Google reviews, hold an A+ with Better Business. Well, our Google reviews speak for themselves. Both keys as well. Push start. Let's turn it over. Let's get over As you can see, no check engine lights. Yeah, the hood was open. Yeah, the hood is open. Okay, but there's that there for the info. Let's do this. Vehicle status. Let's do that one. So everything's okay. Alright, let's go back to the engine so you can hear how it sounds. And I'll turn on some lights too. There it is, purring along beautifully. Well, hopefully this helped answer some questions. If you have any questions for me, if you'd like me to come out and take photos, shoot another video walk around, whatever I can do, I'm happy to do it. Just give me a text or a call. I want to say thank you for your time and consideration, and hopefully we can earn your business. Enjoy your day.